in a loud deep sound, he said, "Ha ha ha, salam master, salam. Command and I shall obey." Who said this? Abdullah said this. "Wow, can you really do anything?" asked Rahul, wonderstruck. In a delightful mood, Rahul asked, "Can you really do anything?" "Well, yes, I suppose," said Abdullah rather doubtfully. In a very good mood, that Abdullah said, "Well, yes." Rahul came a call from outside. It was his friend Neeraj. A call came from outside. It was his friend's Neeraj call. And he was calling like this, "Rahul, Rahul." Rahul suddenly remembered the cricket match the gang had planned for the evening, but his maths teacher had given a lot of homework that day. If he sat down to do the work, it would take him more than 2 hours for sure. Suddenly, he remembered the cricket match which was in the evening, but his maths teacher gave him a lot of homework. It would take more than 2 hours for completion. He was thinking like this. Then Rahul brightened up as his eyes fell on Abdullah. His problem was solved. Now Rahul saw Abdullah. He thought his problem was solved. "I have some homework. There are some 20 sums to do. Here, take my textbook and notebook. Do it for me," he ordered gleefully, handing Abdullah the books. He gave his textbook and notebook to Abdullah and ordered cheerily, "Do it for me," he said. That Rahul said, "Yes, master, I will," said Abdullah. But Rahul had raced out of the room before the genie could complete his sentence. Genie said, "Yes, master," but without listening his sentence. Rahul immediately moved out from the room. It was quite late when Rahul came into his room, exhausted after a boisterous game. The books were lying on the table. Abdullah was nowhere to be seen. He must have gone back into the lamp after finishing his task. Rahul had his dinner and happily went to bed. It was so late when Rahul came into his room. He was so much tired with that boisterous means energetic game. The books were on the table. Abdullah was not there. Maybe he went back into the lamp after completing the work. Rahul had his dinner and merrily he went to bed. The next morning, the first period was arithmetic. Confident that Mrs. Acharya would be satisfied with his work for once. After all, a genie had done it. He handed over his notebook to her as soon as she asked for it. But Rahul was in for a nasty shock. Next morning, it was the first period of arithmetic. Very confidently, Rahul handed over his notebook to Mrs. Acharya.